Jeff Murdock, Student Body President.
I'm Bo Freeman, Vice President of Service.
I'm Sadie Sweat, Vice President of Legislation.
I'm Justin Dorius, Vice President of Media.
I'm Tim Price, Vice President of School Relations.
I'm Braden Brush, Vice President of Clubs.
I'm Devin Spencer, Vice President of Activities.
I'm Sarah Matthews, Senior Class President.
I'm Luke Searle, Senior Class President.
I'm Bo Lindsay, Junior Class Representative.
I'm Katie Wilhite, Junior Class Representative.
I'm Mallory Bocanegra, Sophomore Representative.
I'm Amber Ellis, Sophomore Representative.
I'm Conrad Willie, Freshman Representative.
I'm Nick Bryant, Freshman Representative.